Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
A woman who loses her husband is called a widow. When a man loses his wife, they call him a widow. And if a child loses parents, he or she is called an orphan. But what is a parent you call who has lost his or her child? English doesn't have a word for it because the suffering is so unbearable. No word can explain it. Unfortunately, when her daughter, 7 years old, Naeyeon, died 3 years ago, Mom Jang Ji-sung had to go through such pain. But thanks to virtual reality, just for a short while, the South Korean mom has been able to reunite with her deceased boy. This was made possible by one of the country's broadcasters, MBC, through the documentary translated as Meeting You. It was broadcast Thursday, February 6th in South Korea. A preview of the scene where Jang and her departed daughter were shared on MBC's YouTube page, showing the cut between the two worlds, the real and the virtual, where the two met once more. The production team had taken 8 months to develop virtual reality, according to NBC. They used motion capture technology to film a child actor's gestures, which they could later use as a model for their virtual Naeyeon, and they replicated her voice. They also designed a virtual park where they would meet, based on the one the mother-daughter duo frequented. We see Jang talking with her daughter in the preview, while her husband and 3 other kids watch from a monitor. Not a dry eye in the room when Naeyeon's virtual model appears on the screen, running towards her mother saying, "Mom, where were you? You thought of me, did you?" Jang had been seen trying to contact her daughter. She said in an interview, "I wished to touch my daughter. I was trying to hold her hand, stroking her face." Through VR, Jang touched hands with her daughter. Jang also sang a birthday song with her daughter. They had seaweed soup, a traditional Korean birthday dish, and she gave her the one she wanted to eat, slice of honey cake. Even Naeyeon blew the candles and made a wish. "Please don't let my father smoke. Please don't let my mother weep." The meeting was concluded with Naeyeon lying in bed, reading Jang's letter, saying she'll remember her for a long time. "Goodbye, Mum. I love you." To which the mum responded, "To me too." Naeyeon went back to sleep and, like magic, disappeared, becoming a butterfly. After the whole experience, Jang said, while it wasn't completely like her daughter, it felt like she saw her daughter at the moment. She said the experience taught her not to miss her child anymore, but love her more instead. Jang's daughter Naeyeon is the 3rd of her 4 children. She was diagnosed with a rare disease called hemochromatosis. Hemochromatosis is a medical condition in which a person absorbs too much iron from their diet, which causes iron overload. It accumulates around the body over time, damaging many organs, including the liver, and eventually causing disease and even death. There is currently no cure for hemochromatosis, but there are treatments available. Naeyeon passed away at age 7 in the fall of 2017.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.